Such an awesome day today. It's so excited to be sharing this review with you. So today I'm going to be doing a review on Easy Sketch Pro 3.0, and I'm going to be sharing my experience, and I'm going to be sharing a bit of information about it and how it can benefit you in your business. Whether you're an affiliate marketer or whatever business you own, this is a tool that can benefit you quite greatly in terms of advertising, in terms of marketing, in terms of creating engagement for people to look at your business, look at your opportunity, and inevitably grow your success online. So Easy Sketch Pro is the #1 Doodle software animation tool with new interactive sketch videos, which is designed to boost your engagement by 337% for any business. Now, if that's not incredible, I don't know what is. And I've had the pleasure of using this program quite a bit. I've created 2 marketing videos for campaigns that I've run, which I've had quite a lot of success and exposure to. So I'm so pleased to be sharing this with anyone who's looking for a doodle animation program. And the nice thing about Easy Sketch Pro is it's really quite simple and easy to use. So you don't need any extraordinary skills or abilities, or you don't have to be proficient in learning like these advanced animation programs. Easy Sketch Pro has been made to be easy and effective for anyone online. And I think that's something that really drew me to it, is that they've designed it in a way to make it accessible to just the average computer user. You know, just learning a few skills can get you proficient with it and start pumping out your exciting animation projects. Whether you want to boost any business, you know, your dentist, lawyer, projects for your kids, for school, just any marketing or advertising that you want to utilize, or hey, even if you just want to have a bit of fun. I've made a few things just for fun and it's been awesome. So I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. I'll leave a link if you want to check out more of the information about it. I'm just going to jump straight into the program and show you a bit of the aspects of it. So once you get your program going and started and up and running, here you can select a new project over here in the top right. You get a blank canvas, and then you can start adding images to it, you know, images or text. So when you click on image, there's a large variety of images that you can already use, which is super cool. You know, it's already preset, and I take quite a lot out of these depending on what you want to portray. It's yoga, you know, like I said, it's called projects, electricians, lawyers, doctors, equestrian academies, you name it. It's got everything you need. And then on the other hand, if you want to bring in a picture that's not already here, you can go load picture from PC and browse. And then we can find a picture on your computer or on Google. You can search, find an awesome image to add to it. So I've got an image here of, I'll just find a nice little image here in inspirations. This is one of my favorite artists. So I'm just going to grab that just for an example to show you guys. And then we go add, and it adds it to the page. Now, once it's added to the page, it's quite easy to move it around, to make it smaller. I'm just going to put a little project together. There you go. So if this was going to be my front of my page, I would put this over here. I'd grab some text, and I would say Expo, or I can just say how to make an easy project in Easy Sketch Pro. There you go. And it's quite easy once we got it down to make it smaller and align it. We can click on it again. We can edit it some more if we want to actually make these a little bit smaller. I think it's got to be a lot smaller. There we go. Boom. Where'd it go? Oh my God, it vanished. Okay, hold on. How to make an easy project in Easy Sketch Pro. What was it? 40. There we go. Boom. how to make an easy project in Easy Sketch Pro. And that can be page 1. Then in order to create another page, we just go new slide over here, and it creates a new page. And then we can add another image. So if we want to create a certain level of continuity or play out a certain idea, I mean, you can create a story format, or it could be something that you're teaching to someone else. You know, it's quite important to use slides, to use vocals, to use words at the same time. It makes people more receptive. So it's just kind of put all those things together. I'm just going to use another one of these pictures. This is one of my favorite artists, Scott Naismith. He is amazing. So I'm just using it because it's colorful and it looks quite nice to add in here. There we go. And then we can say 2-minute animation doodle. And then we can also change the color of the words, the font of the words, the size of the words. And we can kind of, you know, we can put things in different places. Now, say I want to put this here. Now, all of a sudden, I want to bring in, I want to bring in another picture that's already from the online archive. So let's browse down and find something nice over here. I mean, it's really just so simple to use. I think anyone just playing around with it for a few minutes, they figured it out and got it going. So let's look for something interesting. Oh, here's something cool. Okay, go. Here's something that will go nicely. So this is a palette, a color palette. So we could turn it. Okay, so say for instance now we've got our page 1 and 2. Now we want to kind of coordinate how and what comes into play first. So what we do is we go over here to timeline. Boop, there we go. And then we can select the different attributes. So at the moment, you can see there's numbers here. How to make easy projects, number 3, and number 1 over here. So we want to make this the top priority. So we can go order up and order up. So whichever number it's on, that is what it will do first. Okay, then we go into timeline over here, and you can see we've got the 2 projects in place. I don't know what happens to the third one. Where's it gone? And now you can set delay. So we can click on the first one. We can say drawing time, which is how long it will take to draw it. So we'll leave it at 3 seconds, and then 3 seconds for the picture as well. And I don't know where this other one's gone. I can't actually see it. Okay, there we go. So now that we got that in place, we can just say that we can go to the second page. Now this is number 2, which we want number 1 because we want the writing first. This is number 2, this is number 3. That's great. So let us do a preview. And you can see it's sketching in the writing first, and then it's sketching in the painting. Oh, that's where the other one's gone up there. And then it goes to page number 2. Just to show you guys how simple and easy this is to do. I mean, you guys saw for yourself, it was pretty straightforward what I did. There you go. So now we've got the images going. And now if we want, we can add sound as well. We can go to voiceovers, which you can actually pre-record words that you want to put in. Now, I've done this before, and it's really simple. You can just take your cell phone, go record it, and you can record little snippets, and then you can paste them in together or connect them together and actually add it in to layer the sound on top of the images when you're ready to present your sketch animation. Otherwise, you can go over here to music at the top, and they've got a pre-selection of sounds you can pick. Here's one, and then we can play. Okay, I'm not sure. Let's pick another. So anyways, here you can select the music that you want. You can put in music that's not here, select the preset. You can select the volume that you'd like it to play, and then you can add it in, and it will layer the sound over the picture. So you can coordinate that. So you can put just random sounds. You can put your own voice. It's nice to put voice. I like putting voice, picture, and writing, because then you're kind of captivating the person on all levels so that they're focused on what you're doing and they can't actually look away. Because, you know, the reason we're doing this, the reason this is so powerful, because it creates engagement. And we want color, we want words, we want voice, we want to engage the clients, if it are clients or whoever it is, whatever the idea of the project is, we want to make it so that it is engaging, so that people are looking at it and they can't turn away. So that's about it. You know, you got your images, you got your sound, you got your text. And then when you're done, you just click over here, export, and then it will export the whole thing, add it together, and then you're ready to go, you're ready to run. So super simple, super amazing. And I think it's something everyone can do. And I review this. You know, I've worked in the digital scene for a long time. I'm actually a qualified graphic designer and digital artist. And I've worked with many different programs, and this is by far one of the easiest and best programs that I have worked with. So that's why I wanted to create the review to share with you. And yeah, try it out, test it out, have fun with it. It's a super easy, affordable price as well. If it's something you're interested in, I'm leaving a link in the box. If you want to check out more info about it and more details about how it can benefit you and your business, then tune into that info and enjoy your day. Great chatting to you guys.